Hello and welcome. In this video I show the re-weathering process on my Tamiya 1/48 scale Spitfire Mk.I. I built the model 2 years ago. Unfortunately, I don't have many shots of the building process, but I wanted to redo the weathering. I can highly recommend the kit itself. It has good details and a typical Tamiya fit. The cockpit is also well designed and the pilot figure looks great. So let's get started. After 2 years on the shelf, I had to clean the model first. Also, I liked the work I had done. I wanted to give the model a little more character and upgrade it with filters and oils. I started applying different filters to different panels to get a first color modulation. The effect becomes visible after trying, and you can repeat the process as you like. Depending on the filter, you sometimes hardly see any differences, but you have to believe in the effect. Here, we repeat the steps on the top of the model and use different filters for the green and brown camouflage. The next step is oil weathering. I use the Amo oil brusher here, but you can use any other oil paint for art supplies. I try to darken the edges of the panels and lighten the middle of the panels. In addition, another color modulation is to be achieved. Same steps at the upper side. Oil weathering is very time consuming, and you have to find the right time when enough is enough. But you have full control over the effect and can blend the colors as you like. The color modulation is again intensified, with different colored oil dots that are blended. Here I use a cotton swab to polish individual areas for an even finish. The next step is dry brushing. I use an Amo oil brusher steel for this. After finishing the oil weathering, pigments come into play. I apply the pigments carefully with the brush and rub them in. This effect looks best immediately after application. Unfortunately, the pigments have to be sealed, and the clear coat takes a bit of the effect. Now I spray some clear smoke to show the dirt from the cannons. The entire model is then sealed with a layer of matte clear varnish. As a final step, a little metal chipping is added. For this I use a fine brush and Vallejo metal color dark aluminum. Now it's time to show the final result. I hope you liked the video. Until next time, bye.